Hello friends, it's Donna from Shiny Treasure Designs Etsy shop, inspired to create Facebook group, and Donna Bell on YouTube. And I have for you today a wall hanging that I've made, and it is about 23 and a half inches long. And at its widest point, it is almost 12 inches across. It's quite pretty. I did Marie Antoinette. She's a big deal here in the South. I'm about 90 miles from New Orleans. And she's a big deal down in New Orleans. So this is what I've done. This is the front. I'm going to flip it over so you can see the back. This is the back because I've done both the front and the back so that it looks very nice, very finished. It's a big doily on the back. I still have to put the hanger on it. This is the front. I'm not sure how to get the whole thing in there with my camera, but it's quite beautiful. It's very, very nice. I love the way it came out. I printed her image onto some fabric, and I made my base. It is made out of a chipboard, covered in cardstock, covered in felt, and then in a beautiful silk fabric with little rosebuds on it, like this. And then I added my image, and then I added lace, and then I added more lace, and I added this beautiful trim lace, this beautiful lace here with the little rosebuds on it. And I went back and I wanted her gown, because I wanted to mimic the gown, so I went back and added some gathered lace under that to make it kind of poof up, you know, like a gown did in those days, the gowns they wore. And then I had this tatted collar, so I added that on to mimic the way their gowns did in those days. And then I added this little applique, and this applique, and another applique here. And I added this pink, not appliques, doilies, I'm sorry. I added this pink doily onto here from Marcia Fox, sent this to me, and I just love it, Marcia, thank you. It was perfect for this project. She also sent me this little pale pink flower, and I took the center flower out and I added this little rose in the center and this little sprig of pearls with the little gold in them. And I made a couple of lace flowers and put the rosebuds in the centers of those. I added a little applique here, a little applique here, and the little roses on those. And then I added the little roses around her picture because her hat has the roses there. Added a little strand of pearls and a little gem here to mimic her necklace because she loved her jewelry. Added some strands of pearls here. Thank you, Marcia. Those were she sent me those in a swap, and I used them on this project. They were perfect for that because Marie Antoinette, she loved her jewelry. I added this purple heart up here, the little rosebud here, and I just love the way that it looks. Now I'm trying to decide if I want to make the hanger out of a strand of pearls or ribbon or some rhinestones. I'm just not sure. But I love the way that it came out. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I had so much fun making this. This is the first really big one that I've made. I've made some smaller ones, like 5x7s, but I've never made a really large one like this. but I absolutely love the way that it came out. I am listing it in my Etsy shop for sale, um, and it will be available shortly. So I thank y'all. God bless, and have a good day. Bye-bye.